Smart factories are transforming manufacturing with IoT devices, automation and interconnected systems. But this increased connectivity also opens doors to cyber threats, making these factories prime targets for attacks on machinery and data. Cyber threats can disrupt operational uptime, leading to significant financial losses. As smart factories evolve, so do the tactics of cybercriminals, necessitating robust security measures to protect these advanced manufacturing environments. Connected systems require vigilant defense against cyber threats. Akita offers 24/7 threat detection through our NOC and MDR services. We provide rapid incident response from trained cybersecurity and infrastructure specialists. And we provide proactive detection measures such as penetration testing and vulnerability scanning, all to ensure your systems have the best possible defense. With Akita's always-on protection, manufacturers can spend their time focusing on innovation and productivity, knowing that their systems are safeguarded against potential breaches and cyber attacks. Demonstration of compliance with recognized standards is also valuable for cybersecurity. Akita supports organizations to achieve Cyber Essentials Plus and ISO 27001 certifications, ensuring your operations meet recognized security standards. This enables organizations to retain their reputations, as well as gain a competitive edge when tendering for new business. Protecting productivity and safeguarding the supply chain are essential for future success. Implementing robust security measures ensures the smooth operation of production lines, securing your manufacturing future. Join us in fortifying your manufacturing operations with Akita's comprehensive security solutions. Together, we can secure the future of manufacturing, ensuring resilience and growth in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Contact us today.